This is pretty cool. Got rocks over there. Just do a pan. It's a nice spot, this. And then we got more rocks over there. So Old Blood's 20. Found a spot we haven't been to before. Nice surf. Look at this place. Pretty good, eh? Minnie. So, looks like there's cars allowed on here. And we're just having a bit of a look. Old Blood's carrying on. This looks alright. Go and see if these guys are getting any fish. And quite nice. Rocks there. It's about an hour from Yamba. Oh mate, wow, look at the view. So relaxing. Holy shit, tide's coming in. Yeah, that's been bitten off. Looks like I'll have to fish. Look at that, the tail came off. So there's freaking action out there, that's for sure.
Maybe I should have one of them pink ones.
Well, look at that. Look at the tail, it's gone. Well, there it is on the ground next to your foot. Someone's bitten it. I can feel it as I move it. It's chasing it. It's what we want. Come on, big flatty. That could be a flatty. See, as I move it, we want it to run, so you let the clutch loose, but if it's decent it'll take off. Or it could just be a boring brim. Well, I hope I haven't got the bottom. No. That tends to get the flathead interested. I think that tide's just starting to turn now. I wonder why those guys are out in that boat. See, I could bring the jet ski here. Yeah, I just caught one, a keeper, but I'll let it go, but the next one I'll keep. Pretty big brim, so we've got to get some footage of Mandy putting on the squid. For all the women out there, now that's a good effort. Look at her go. Not scared of a bit of squid. Good to see. Good job. All right, we're gonna go and have a go on the rocks. The wind's just come up, which is a pain. I don't like the wind, but you just got to put up with it. We'll go and see if I can flick it over there. You might find a little hole. Look at this, it's so good. Let's see if we can get out there. Good old Minnie, eh? Well, I've got these new shoes, 25 bucks. See if we can give them, they're called Old Blood's booties. So let's go over there and try them out. See if I can go there without having an accident. Righto. Should be able to get out there. We'll have a go. I reckon we can cross over there. Let's have a look. There's not everyone comes out here on the rocks. So let's see if I can get something a bit unusual on these rocks. A few birds jumping over there. I'm thinking, let me have a look. With the wind coming in that way, you probably want to be throwing in off the middle there. I've got my polarized on. I think we'll go along the rocks. Oh, fishies down there. Righto, let's have a look. We haven't done rock fishing for ages. Make sure that we're recording first. Yeah. So, another pan. I'm going to have a fish off the rocks. Randy's still having a go there. Bit of weather coming in, but hey, we got some good footage. Couldn't get the drone going. Goddamn technology. Oh, look at the rock pools. I haven't seen them for ages. Hopefully there's a drop off here. More rock pools. Now I don't think I'm going to get washed off. It looks pretty tame. I need to, I reckon, straight out through there. I'll probably get a snag, but just gotta have a go. Oh, a miracle. She got it out. I'm trying to think where I should go. Have a fish in here. Right, there's something in there. Now that would be funny. Even just to watch it. Let's have a look. So this is what it looks like. Look at that. Just swims, drops down. That's what you're trying to do. You might have it. Yeah, I have got it. All right, we're going to see what we've caught. At least we're going to have something live on cam. Or maybe not. Yeah, no, I think it's still there. Oh, we're going to pull something in. It won't be big, but it's a fish. Here we go. It's probably tiny. It's very tiny. But we've got to get bigger than that. That's a bit embarrassing. But hey, we've got to start somewhere. Big bait, big fish, isn't that the theory? All right, let's see if we can get into that deep hole. We'll wade in a bit now. But anyway, we caught something. So, quite as big as I thought. Well, it's the tiniest fish I've ever caught, I think. All right, we're in the deep hole now. So we expect, see all those birds over there? It's always a good sign. So this is Fishing with Dave, Old Bloods, having a bit of a go, trying to get a decent fish out of here. Might be tricky, but if you don't have a go, you'll never know. There could be a big flatty in there. There's some out there. These birds are really going off. This is great. I'm going to come back here and stay. See the birds diving over there? So there's something going on. Here we go, I'm getting a touch. Now, hopefully this will be a flathead. That's what I've ordered. See, that's better. See how they're... That's more of a pull, which is what we want. Just gonna let him take it a bit more. That looks like a flatty to me. Brooms like little fast bites. See that? I reckon I've got something half decent. Well, I can see him. He's got to be a bit bigger than the brim. Oh no, he's probably only a brim, but he's running with the water. Running with the water, so he feels a bit bigger. Oh no, he's a keeper if you're into brim, but I'll let him go. It's not quite what I'm after. Still, we're on the improve. That's a decent fish. Most people would keep that. Put it that way, I'll if I don't get what I'm after, I will keep them. I want to have fresh fish. So he was definitely legal. Righto. You can see just getting out in that deeper hole, we're getting a bit more size. That's pretty cool. You listen. Anyway, so that's enough filming for today. Old Bloods is signing out. Got the last bit of bait now. Couldn't get that flathead. So time to go. Old Bloods. Episode 20 just keeps on going. We're back on again. We were logged off, but this is the final one. We were going home back to the Gold Coast, but ended up catching up with family. And how could you say no to this? We've got a spot. We've set up the camper. We've been all the way up to the lookout there, and we just love this place. I actually went and there's a big rock pool over there and I jumped in. Mandy had to go in there as well, in the shallows, and we just set up the camper because we just could not go home when we got one more night in us.